All right, everyone. Today we are going to put everything we worked on this week together. So we are going to select a new idea or a different idea from our idea list, and we are going to write 5 complete sentences. We are going to create an introduction, a middle, and an ending. And then we will submit our writing to Google. So let's look back at our introductions. So our types of introductions, our introductions are supposed to be interesting so that readers will want to continue to read our writing. So our types of introductions were open with a question, open with a bold statement, you could open with a personal experience, or open with your feelings. We're also going to look at our endings. So the types of endings that we used were the loop ending. The loop ending ends the writing at the same place that we began it, where it began. The surprise ending, which is a twist at the end that catches the reader by surprise. The summary ending that repeats the main points of the story and ties everything together. The fairy tale ending, or the happy ending, or the sad but true ending. So we are going to create a new writing using an idea from our idea list. So I'm going to choose something different. My first writing, I chose to write about whales. This time I'm going to write about food. But I'm going to break down that idea because writing about all the foods would be way too difficult. So I'm going to break down that idea, and I chose to write about pizza. So I'm taking a new idea. I'm going to think of a type of introduction to write about my pizza. And I'm going to open with a question. And then I'm going to choose an ending to write about pizza. And I'm going to put it all together to make a new writing. So my new writing is the very first pizzeria in America was opened in 1905 in New York City. Pizza is one of the most popular food options for Americans. In the United States, 350 slices of pizza are eaten by the second. About 21,000 slices are eaten nationally in just 1 minute. Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the United States. So I used a bold fact for my introduction. The fact is that pizza began in New York City in 1905. For my ending, I used the summary ending, and I repeated the main ideas. Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the United States. After you submit your writing, you want to make sure that your writing is clear. So for the writing rubric, you will score a 5 if you have an interesting topic with good ideas and a clear beginning, middle, and end. If you have some interesting ideas, but your details are not in order, you score a 3. If you have very few details and your information is not clear, or you have no beginning, middle, and end, you'd score a 1. So we're looking at our ideas and our organization, our 2 traits of the 6 traits of writing, and we're creating a new writing. So you will take an idea from your idea list to create a new writing, and then you'll select a type of introduction, and you'll write your new introduction for your new idea, a new middle, and a new end for your new idea. and then you will submit your new writing to Google Classroom.